no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about.
Status, I'm a big dog, bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 ask him better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them all in here. Yeah, they all in here. Ooh, big dog. We come out the pound, so we big dog. Heavy paddock on me, break my wrist off. I'm young out of rocket, bout to lift off. 3, 2, 1, I got big dog status, I'm a big dog, bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah. Big dog status, I'm a big dog, bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jakes, fall in line. Yeah. We got sticks like a Columbine. Yeah. Running up the dollar signs. Yeah. Ain't no hiding from them hollow cans. Yeah. Bring up like the Taliban. That's my paper, don't you bother mine. Yeah. Heavy paddock on me, break my wrist off. Yeah. Lift off. I got big dog status, I'm a big
Yo,
dog,
yo,
bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with
how
a
are we,
stick
Paul?
all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with
I am
all
good,
that.
I am good. How'd you like my post? Bigging you up. I wanted to make you cry. I was like, we'll get Paul emotional today. I was like, let's get 10 points. How was your week this week? Was it really good? I like that. I like that a lot. Minimum. That's great. That's great, man. That's really good, dog. You know, what was I gonna say? No, it just gone on my head. No, I was gonna ask you. Yeah. Are you trading 30 minute? Did you trade 30 minutes this week? 30 minute and the 1 hour. Are you risking 2% of a trade now, or still 1%? Okay.
We still. 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 We still.
still good.
is well, my darling. Your
Like
anxious heart may as well be
5-6
still.
trades this week.
Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Be still, my darling.
Yeah. I normally trade with 30-minute.
My darling, your anxious heart may as well be still. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared of changing us both. That will leave our bodies, but it'll never touch my soul. If you are afraid, the heavens don't let go.
Yeah.
We'll stay as we grow. Oh.
Does the yeah. Does the 1 hour give you like huge stops or no? So you took a 1 hour, you trade up a 1 hour today, yeah, as you're saying. So what stops did it give you? How many pips? Okay. Okay, yeah. 2-1. Well, closer to. Yeah, so you be securing a 1-1 now, right? Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Wow. Minimizing changes everything. Yeah. The ratio is crazy. Yes. We're doing GJ this week or AJ? GJ, right?
Hey, how's it going? It's great. Absolutely fantastic. Yep, gaining the confidence.
I'm a love giver, searching for glory, I'm a strong winner. Throw me the ball cause I'm a hard hitter. Only be swimming in the deep river. I'm a love giver, holding on to all the best things in life. I'll be pushing on through every second in the night. I'll be reaching up to every moment in the light. You know I got a reason, I got a mission that excites me.
Wow. Uh-huh. That's like, wow. Yeah. My gosh. Yeah, I didn't really think about that, like that concept, like before very much, but it does make sense. Like, if you only take if you risk like $50, but you always usually lose, like your average loss is only $25, then technically you pretty much have like a 2-to-1 risk reward.
So since you switched to 30-minute and 1 hour, we still be some in the 15-minute. Yeah. So we'll be some in the 15 though. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, finally. Yeah. Yeah, it's about time. Oh my gosh. You use that 5-second rule? Yeah. Yeah, actually, I listened to the audiobook for like 2 hours. I think it was on Thursday. Yeah, I like it. It's a really simple concept, but it's like I've been using it with like little like small habits that I want to stop doing. And like it's not gonna happen overnight, but like whenever I like do these small habits, like I'm always like, wait, and then I count down from do it, and it's just gonna take some time. Yep.
Oh,
So,
are you busy after the same? Just a little 10 minutes, 15. Yeah, I'm free tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I get you, bro.
Better deliver. Before you get it.
Yeah, we get it tomorrow. That's 6 p.m. here. No, we're behind. No, we're ahead. We're 6 hours ahead, yeah.
Yeah, it'll probably be evening for you.
Yeah. I should work out fine.
Yeah. What up, YouTube? How's it going? Oh, hi Tyler, I got you. Alright, we'll start the sim in a few minutes. If anyone wants to redeem any points to join sim, you can do that real quick. Take about 3 to 5 minutes and do that.
Test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 test.
3 4 3 4 3 4.
Shut up, you.
How's it going?
Good.
Everyone have a good Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. Once Tyler gets in here, I think everyone is. I don't know if anyone else has enough to join. Yes, you're getting close. I think, you know what? You're here for sim. Let me check your points. You got 955. How many do you need for to join a Zoom?
It's like 2,500, I think.
Okay. Yep, okay. Well, if you're gonna redeem push-ups, I'm not giving you any points.
Oh, there's this crazy stat that I'm gonna tell everyone. Everyone knew that joined.
So what?
Since I joined, I'm not taking a losing week. Since the 5th of September, bro.
You got some good accountability
Which is crazy.
in this group.
How's it going, Paul? How you doing, man?
Hey, what's up, Tyler?
Nothing much, brother.
Ready to get some sim?
Hell yeah. Let's do
Alright.
it.
We got London. You guys want to do London? What session are we thinking? I'm up for London or New York.
I want to do London.
We could just sim through both, actually.
Alright.
Alright, we'll sim through both. Alright, yep. So do London open, and then we'll go till London close. So if you have a simulator that you use, we're gonna do this time here. So 17. See how we do. Do you guys want to do any top-down analysis? I got 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, and 15.
Yeah, let's do the 4, the 1.5 hour. Let's see what we got.
Alright. Okay. Tyler, you know how these things go?
Oh, the Sims?
Yep.
Yeah, I watched one of your Sims last week.
Okay.
I actually tried to download this one day, but it was just so confusing.
Yeah, if you need, I can help you set it up if you need.
Yeah, I'd appreciate that.
It's a hassle. It's confusing to set up, but once you get it set up, it's super simple. Right, is that it for 4 hour zones?
Can we get something here for a possible take profit if it's a sell?
Yep. All right, 1 hour. Still good?
looks pretty good now.
Okay, 30 minute. All right.
I like where we're at.
Okay. So this is the first 15 minutes. First 15 minutes of London right there. And then here's the second 15. Oh, we see us. We got GJ on. We got GJ. We're gonna do London and then into London close.
Your skin soft as ice cream. Yeah, you melt under my touch. And with your kiss strong as lightning, you got me falling right back in love. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean wave. You're burning hot like it's wanted.
30, and here's a new 1 hour candle.
We're looking bearish on that 1 hour.
Is it?
Bearish on 15. Yeah, the new 1 hour.
Yeah, I think right here is might come back, make a support here, and then go back up. We'll see what happens up here. Anyone want anything here?
I would personally take a buy.
You want to buy right here?
Yeah.
I would too at the break of the wick.
Just go 1-to-1 or TP like up here?
Let's go 1-to-1 for me anyway.
Yeah, 1-to-1.
Okay. Wonder if this hourly is something like this. Since we had this here, and we kind of. Maybe something like that. Think for the sub kills, and maybe that, because then on the 15, this pullback is gonna look like this. You guys feel like this one was buying the high here, maybe?
I think so. Also, if you went back to the hour real quick, you see that previous support right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I wanted to enter at the break of the wick instead of on the 15, instead of just entering right when the candle formed.
Gotcha. Because if it broke that high, then you'd say it's probably leaving this area. Gotcha.
That's how I was thinking of going about it.
Anything sells here makes sense to come back down. Maybe retest this right here.
Shaking hands and stammering words. I tried so hard to play it cool. I took your hand and took a knee. And I said, would you come and make
You're 30, still has 16 minutes left.
would you come and make your home with me?
Oh, wow.
Very strong.
Mm-hmm.
It's doing what what you said though there with the arrows.
Yeah, making support. Maybe we go up. Anything for anyone?
Not me. I'd probably wait for the break at the high and then figure
here?
something out. Yeah.
It could be double top.
Yeah, if we go bearish there again. Double top or just kind of ranging in between there.
The sounds of chaos echo through the night. The city's an assault on peace of mind. It's always buzzing and never sleeps. Leaves me driving around overcrowded streets in the city of hustle. There's no time to think. Might miss your shot the moment you blink. So
if you did take a buy, you'd definitely be closing right there on that close. The minimize, and that'd be about a 50% minimized right there.
To me, it looks like we are respecting the resistance. So I would have taken a sell.
Where's your stop at?
Yeah, the top of the wick here.
And just TP like down here?
Yeah.
A question on that, the top of the wick real quick.
Mm-hmm.
You would have entered right at the top when it respected the previous high. You just would have took that sell right there.
Yeah, I would have, yeah.
When
But
this
it's
when
closed,
this one
yeah.
closed bearish, you mean?
Yeah. Once that closed bearish, yeah.
Or okay, so when it closed.
Because it just looks like we're respecting the resistance.
Yeah, it is. I just wasn't sure if you would enter at the top of the wick, like right at the top, or right when the candle closed.
When the candle closed.
Yeah, if we get under support, I think we're coming down. Trying to punch through.
Respecting. Respecting
Just
hard.
respecting everything. You want to get out on like break even if you can, Sammy?
Yeah, I was just gonna say. If you can get back into profit.
There we go. Turned a loser into a winner. Yep, yeah, we're kind of stuck there. I agree. So I think now maybe let's see what the hourly does. Yeah, hourly's stuck here for 4 hours.
I'm walking, but all these thoughts are running. Yelling, catch me if you can, and I'm wondering if I should chase behind or stop wondering.
I think once we get that New York Open, we'll see a break up or down.
I'm just trying to take my time. My coffee is steaming, getting colder with time, and I'm wondering if maybe all this dreaming is better left to the night. Oh, but lately I've been
This looks so bad.
Mm-hmm.
I just toss and turn all
And here's NY open.
and I don't know where time is gonna take me. No, I'm just trying to take my time.
What?
Once it breaks that top, you want an entry there?
I would.
Okay.
So Paul, I'm just curious, what were you saying on Discord about wanting to do the 30-minute an hour? Is that, I came on this call a tiny bit late, but
Oh, I was just saying for entries instead of the 15-minute, I just like it a lot. That's all.
did you do a lot of back testing on it, or have you just been kind of watching?
On the simulator, no, but I looked at it on the chart. And it's
Yeah.
the same thing on the 15, just higher time frame, so better confirmation. You just have to wait
Yeah.
longer. But it seems to, everything I saw this week looked really good.
Yeah.
Where do you want your stop at?
I probably put it previous wick, right at the
there.
bottom of it. Yeah, I'll just keep it right there, and just manage it really closely.
Okay. I'm gonna set this 1 to 1. There we go. You want to move it up to whatever wick gets created here?
Yes.
Me personally, to the guys that took the buy entry, I used to take entries on breaks of highs, but now I tend to take them on closes, because once it breaks a high, you don't know if you're gonna push. You gotta wait for the close to close above that resistance to get confirmation that's gonna continue going higher. Just to the guys that took
Absolutely.
the buy entry.
I agree to that. I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this every time, but just seeing how much it's respect this resistance and the support. If it's gonna break the resistance first, I think it's gonna go up to that TP.
Right.
I agree. I think it's because it's ranging so tight.
Yeah.
It breaking the extreme of the high or the extreme of the low. Could be good. Hopefully it doesn't hit your stop and then continue. Do you want your stop there, or do you want it a little safer?
I'll just keep it right there for right now.
Okay. You're in?
Then I'd start moving my stop now. Oh yeah.
Break even?
Yeah, I used to take those wick entries all the time, and I got like, geez, they do not work for me at all.
That was perfect. It was like super clean.
That was nice.
I think that one was good with timing wise, because it was right after New York volume came in, and then also our initial support was here, and then we made a higher support. So visually it kind of looks like crap, but I would say we were looking like this.
Yep.
Very nice. We got some more time. Let's see where this goes. 15-minute. Yeah, 15. I look pretty bullish there. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour support held. So I think once we had that second candle close bullish, I think stops underneath there and then taking it up to like the high. Because it just looks like a messy uptrend push. Did you want one right there, Jody? Do you want your buy stop put in right now then? And then where do you want your stop? Yep, I agree. I see that. So then we're stop loss here. TP 1-to-1. Yep, okay. We'll take it. It's close enough. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. There we go. Alright, let's see where else this goes. I think we're gonna keep pushing up. 4 hour. Yeah. Should get back up into this. Should be there and then up here if we keep going. Brenda. There's so many different ways to trade this. Like, we had the buy stop above here, buy stop here. If you would have bought somewhere in support here, expecting that push up, price 1, selling resistance here. Messy, but still ended up getting that 1-to-1 right there. So many different ways to do this.
Yo, Paul, I'm gonna head to sleep, bro. It's getting kind of late here.
Hey, man. We will chat tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll chat tomorrow.
Alright.
See you later. See you later, people.
Oh, wow, that thing is just pumping.
Is there news or is that just price action?
That's just price action.
Jeez.
Yeah, that's just GJ.
I didn't know it moved like that in New York. Or this is still London, huh?
Yeah, it's London, New York.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the crossover right here. And then London is closing in an hour. So this is like the NYSE volume. This break was the NY volume. And so we're coming to the end. We'll just go to the next day now. We are up for the session, 1.16%. Yeah, that thing. You bought support, you were good. Alright. Redo these zones. Alright. What are we seeing? Okay, I like it. Perfect. Annotating.
How do I draw? How do I draw on this ball?
It should be up on the top. It should say View Options, a little tab, and then it should be Annotate. If you have a Mac, you can't annotate, so you need to throw your Mac out the window and get a real computer.
No Mac over here.
All right, good. You're intelligent. Perfect. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. But no, you can't. If you don't have Mac, you can't. If you have Mac, you cannot annotate. Or like a Chromebook, you can't annotate with a Chromebook either.
Gotcha.
All right. So we got a zone here, and then another one there. Yep.
Yep.
Got you, bro. And Anthony, I fixed your day for you too.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep. So it would be the 27th.
All right.
Yeah, I didn't even realize we didn't even have sim. I was like, what are you talking about? Alright. Does that look good for everyone?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Hourly. So good?
Yep.
Okay. Whoa. And 30 minute.
Yeah, looks good.
Alright, perfect. So London Open. Here we go. What are we kind of expecting? Are we expecting bullish or bearish type of direction? Or does it look more or undecided?
What was the 4 hour?
Jody thinks we're coming down.
Yeah, down.
I think down as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think if we can break a support, yep. There we go. Figured London Open would push us through support. And then come up and get a lower high. Is anyone taking the breakout? Oh my god.
I guess it won.
Yeah. Well, the chart was on there before, so. Where was your stop at? You're gonna just mark your stop in your TP above the candle, okay? TP 1-to-1. I don't know exactly where it fell to, but I think 1-to-1 does hit. But you had it on the chart before, so see what happens, even though we know what happens. Where's the TP? Thought I said a TP. Oh, there we go. Okay, it was on the line. Okay, we saw that candle, so. Yeah, I think sell's right on that. Another one, Jody?
You wouldn't wait for a retest here?
Yep. Yeah, I'd like to wait for a pullback.
Oh, okay.
I think Jody wants another one. One to one again. Let's see.
I played a waiting game where I waste my time. I let my dreams die young, 'cause I misread the signs. Signs it might be over.
If this one works, I'm gonna be a little baffled. It's hourly making lower lows, lower highs, so that's good.
What's the 15?
Here we go, Jody. Yeah, 15 set up pretty perfect.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at TP's right there too. 1 to 1. Are we gonna hit? Good hit. There we go. Beautiful. That 3 for 3, Jody. Very nice. I didn't agree with the trade, but it worked out. It was really, really nice. I just didn't like the stop loss. But it broke the low, so it should not have returned, but this did just feel kind of like selling a low to me. Looking at this now, once this one closed bearish on the hourly, I think those sells would have been perfect right at London Open too, because we had our support, we broke it, came back, we made a lower high, resistance, target, clean traffic. I think that would have been a good play before London Open to hit as well. Yep, I agree, Jody. I agree. I think that was a solid play. And like I said, just because I didn't take it doesn't mean, or I didn't take it or didn't like it doesn't mean anything. As long as you, if that's what works for you, is just like stuff like that. I mean, that's perfect. That's perfect. Here's our 30-minute. Still no pullback yet. I'd like to see some higher time frame pullback, to be fair. Oh, I guess GJ's just not gonna. Oh, there was news at 11, but it was low impact, so. Wow, that is insane bearish volume. The 15-minute have anything? Not really. Hourly. Yeah, maybe a break of the low there, but. Yep. I'm gonna retest in that area we broke out of the other day. And then either up or down. I think we could come and fill this traffic here. And then get back into here. As long as we get under here. If we get under here, I think we'll break through here. I'm getting in near NY Open in 1 hour. Yeah, that is just all bearish.
Or as fast as it went up, it came down just as fast.
Yep.
Jeez.
Pretty identical.
Yeah.
Now maybe we'll get resistance forming up here, or we just keep dumping. NY volume coming in. Gonna note a little bit of a pullback with NY volume coming in. See what the hourly looks like. That's a monster candle. I think if we go bear, should come back down.
What's the 15 look like?
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my.
If we break that wick, yeah, I'd set the stop right above here.
Our little rocket ship candle broke the high, broke the low. I think if we get an hourly close. Ooh. What did we miss? NYSC is coming in. And 15, 18. Yeah, no, I think that was. Oh well. I just want to go back up here. And there was no news or anything. 4 hour. Yeah, Jody, just try to do it before the candle prints. Yeah, that looks really ugly. Gotcha. Gonna fill that all the way back up to the top, I think. So the next day I'm gonna do one more day. Do Wednesday. Clear these zones up. Alright, what do we got? I get everything?
Yep.
Okay. One hour. Looks good. Touch here. Here. Good.
Yep.
All right. Oh, that's an ugly day. Let's see what open does. It's soft for FX, and to draw on it, it's just the zoom call annotations. That's all. You get it, soft4fx.com, or just Google soft4fx and it'll pop up, like $99, and you get 2 codes so you could split it with someone. I thought we were going to respect resistance. You want a pending up there, Jody? Yep, there's 1-to-1 right there. See if London Open breaks it out. Like it's going to. Hold above, this should go. Yeah, if it doesn't go, I'd say we're gonna just be staying in the range. And it's gonna be a messy day. See there, Jamie. We should chat this weekend at some point. Probably Sunday. Oh, that was 9:30 news. You want to minimize now, Jody? $1,000 risk. You're at a minus 129. Okay. Good flips. So keep going.
Well, I gotta say that the when the candle doesn't close your way, I really like that strategy that we're just that way you're doing it, closing the maybe
to just get out.
full positions. Are you closing full positions or?
Yep, I take
mostly,
everything
like,
out.
80?
Everything.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Even if it's still in profit and it closes the opposite way.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Because what I noticed is the amount of times it closes against me and then continues in my direction is 20 to 30% of the time.
Gotcha.
So 20 to 30 versus 70 to 80. Long term, it's just going to be better.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Jody, I went break even on this, just so you know. I don't know if you want. Is that good? Okay. Just because it kind of dilly-dallied here, and now it pushed right pretty close to your TP, and then it pulled back. So I think if it doesn't hit the TP, it's better to just get out and stop letting it dance. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, right here would have been ideal. 1-to-1 was right here. So I just put it 1-to-1. If you'd have secured there, or if it pushed, oh yeah, see, it just came back. Well, if you would have secured here, mentally that'd have been a winner for you. But once it hit there, it went break even. It either hits 1-to-1 or hits break even. I think that was a good managing ability. Yeah, no, managing it was a game changer this week. And then when I looked at all my previous weeks, I could have turned every loser into like a 90% less of a loser on those trades. See where this one goes. Yeah, what's the hourly look like? This just looks like crap.
Seems like managing losses is more important than your entries.
Yeah, so what I was telling myself all week in my little notes I made from last week for this week was not to focus on winning trades, but focus on managing my trade. The wins are going to happen. But if I can focus on really managing every trade to the best of my ability, it's just going to make the winners mean that much more.
Yeah, if you think about it, managing your losses or just making money, because if you let it hit the stop loss, you'd have lost more.
Exactly, yeah. So like this week I had one good win, and then today's trade, and the second one was like 0.8 to 1. It wasn't a full 1-to-1 hit. Mm-hmm. Everything else was like plus 2 pips, plus 3 pips, and then I had three losers. And in total, all 3 losers were minus 6.5 pips.
All of them put together?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
2 of them were 20 plus stop losses too, so it was really, I only traded at like 62% for the win rate. But my risk to reward ended up being 3.5, 4 to 1, and I barely even got 1-to-1.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And yeah, there was 3 winners. It was not super great, but because the losses were so small, the winners were just that good. Yeah. Really good perspective. What are you guys thinking on this one? Nothing? No trade? Maybe sell resistance?
Yeah, if it comes back up, maybe, but we're still kind of in a range, so I don't know.
Yeah, it looks really messy. Oh boy.
I was thinking about it. I was thinking about saying buy at the break of the candle there.
Yeah, I was hoping this was going to close bullish down here, and then I was going to buy, but stop loss is a little big on that one now.
Yeah.
Be like 40 pips for a 1-to-1. Yeah. Or that might even be like 60 pips. Yeah. Wow. That was a monster hourly candle. I think we're out of the range though.
We'll probably retest that last high.
Yeah,
Oh,
up here.
What time is it? Late mid-London?
Yep. Yeah, we're coming into New York in 45 minutes.
Yeah, New York will probably push it to the top.
Mm-hmm. Maybe this last bit as we come into New York, we'll get a pullback. Nope. Okay. 30-minute. And then we got NY open in 20 minutes. I think wherever we get a support, that'll be nice. NY open. Either gonna launch up or pull back, make a support, and then
break it.
Yeah. You want entries if it breaks the high?
I would have entered at the break of this wick, and I was just gonna put a stop loss here.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure what your lines meant.
Almost 1-1 right there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I think he might have had it on the last one too. Oof. Well, we reached target. Back at that resistance up there. Want to sell a mixed resistance up there, CS? Okay.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I would agree.
Maybe if the hourly goes bearish. Might be a little counter trend, but I think it's got some nice traffic to push a little 1-to-1.
These are all just either dumping or flying high. There's no really pullbacks.
Yeah. It's 2 minutes, so close. So you got CS, yes or no? What are you guys in Zoom thinking? Jody says no.
They're bearish.
What's up?
I don't think it closed low enough for that to be a sell.
Alright, CS says yes. Okay, I'll get CS's in there. That's a no for you. I wouldn't do anything here. We'll just see if we can get a 1-to-1. There we go. Yeah. Good work. Might get 1-to-1. If it breaks that low, that would be a nice little super easy 1-to-1 if it gets there. This looks too bullish for me personally. So close. It's trying to fight all that bullish momentum to come down.
That's a pretty ballsy trade right there.
Man.
Yeah, I agree.
That's
If
like
that
trying to
one, if this hourly comes back and closes bearish, then I would be okay.
That's like
But
trying to go Bitcoin right now.
It's too bullish, and I don't know where that's. Is it gonna make a support here and push a higher high? Would kind of be all I would be looking for. Yeah. So CS on that one. The resistance made sense, but we're so bullish right now. You should have waited for a support to get created, and then a support to get broken, like it closes underneath. Then I think that would have been valid. Like if this 30-minute closes bullish, next one closes bearish underneath it, then I think okay, should come down. Yeah, let's skip
Question, Paul. How far away are we from like a previous resistance? Like besides that one right there. If you go like the higher time frame, maybe.
Maybe here.
If you go like further back, what I mean.
You mean going up?
Yeah, like if we break this high right here, I mean, what's our next target point? Just curious how the market is right here.
Why won't it let me move? Oh, it won't even let me go any further left or right.
Okay.
Did I take a buy on the 30-minute?
Oh gosh, who is this?
You already know, bro.
You want to buy right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they could.
1-to-1?
No, what's the stop loss there? How many pips is it?
14.
What's up, Gearshot?
What up, what up? And then what about if I have it right here with this body and this body lower, a bit lower?
You're gonna stop way down there?
Yeah. At the top of the body, at the top of this bullish body, yeah. Well, how many pips is it?
20.
Okay. And I'll take it 1-to-1. Let it play. Let's see what happens.
What's with that stop loss?
Because I don't want to like there's no sort of like structure here close to it, right? That like it's doing a retest off of, and this is I believe the closest sort of structure that's kind of it can tap into, which it did kind of here, and I don't want to get caught in like a bottom wick.
Okay. Ooh, girl.
That's yeah. Take it. There you go.
Ooh, girl.
Nice.
I joined the stream, and it's that easy, bro. That easy.
I support an uptrend. Look at that.
Yeah, and the like the stop loss I know is like I could have managed make it smaller, but recently from what I've seen, like I'll go more into is I've been getting like if I'm in a trade, I've been getting wicked out and then it continues in my direction. So now I'm just trying to be, like if there's structure close to it, like obviously this is for me was a good support, closest thing to it, and which was reasonable. So that's why I put my stop loss there. So some sort of structure there instead of just like the structure's trying to create right now. That's the only reason. Because for me, I've been getting whipped out more and more these like in the last month. I've noticed when I was looking back on my trade because I was getting whipped out.
Gotcha.
Could I join the stream and drop a banger?
You think he's gonna wick fill again?
No, I'm done. That's it. Done. Call it a day. After the trade, next session. For me, at least. If this hourly closes bearish, I believe it's gonna come all the way back down and do some sort of retest here. Unless it does it within this candle.
Come on, Jody. Gotta do it quicker than that. Yeah. Gotta let me know before. If it pulls back, I'll add it in. We can get close enough. Yeah, that's probably close enough. Okay. 1 to 1 right there.
Can you pause it once this hourly closes? I don't see how it's shaping up and how much room we got.
I'm gonna pause it once the 30-minute closes.
30 minutes, a good show too, I would say.
Yep. Yeah, if it makes a little top wick. Oh gosh. Well, I was gonna take a sell, but didn't really give a top wick, so.
Your TP's almost hit.
Mm-hmm. Can probably break even now, right, Jody? Oh. That was quick. Yeah, I don't think stop loss should get hit. I think TP will get hit. Yeah, let's go break even just in case. Right? Yes, Jody? No, Jody? Yes? Okay. Just check marks, X marks. Because then at this point, if it comes back and hits break even, it's probably going to be, you're probably going to have to wait for a lower high to get formed, and that'll be stressful, and you want to avoid that.
Can you drop on the lower time frame? It's not 15 minutes.
Yeah. The idea was good though, Jody. I liked it. Yeah, I'm thinking. Oh, gee. Come on, flip.
Can you drop on the 15-minute also?
Yep.
I'm gonna wait for this close. If the close is be a bearish, could you? Yeah, I was gonna say my stop loss. I want to at these bodies up here though. Yeah.
You're really messing your risk to reward right there.
What? How many pips is that?
21.
Okay, that's fine. And then I'll take it from 1 to 1.
Okay.
Sim, we can try this out.
Yeah. Oh, smash TP for me. Let's go. 1 hour time frame for the win, baby. Go shot for the win, baby.
Bro, until I come in and drop bangers.
I don't like your stop loss placement, but if it's working for you, you know where I stand on that.
Yeah, it's just something that I prefer. I still do. It's like it depends on the trade and the situation, obviously. There, I don't want. Like sometimes they can do another retest before heading down, and I just don't want to get caught in that at all. Rather place the safer stop loss and still go for my 1-to-1s.
Gotcha. Yep. I got in right at the top. That was perfect.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna come down just based off the hourly, and I feel like this can come down a bit lower, and then possibly it's gonna continue heading up.
Yeah, because we've made a high, so I'd expect some support to get formed somewhere
Nicely
in here.
done.
Somewhere in here. We got touches, so I'd expect maybe a support in here somewhere. And yeah, the hourly time, I'm really getting comfy on that 1 hour time frame.
Yeah, and one thing I also want to point out is when I see this here, if you can pause it real quick. So you know how we are in this uptrend, right? Okay, this isn't the perfect setup, but it's somewhat of a good setup. And then we created this support, and then we were supposed to continue heading up, which we did. Obviously, we got the trade, but pretend you weren't in a trade, and then you saw that the support kind of failed. And with this bearish candle, usually it continues well in the opposite direction after that. Have you noticed that yourself?
Yep, I've actually been implementing. So you know how I don't do breakouts? I've actually been taking closes below supports in uptrend and above resistance in downtrend, because then it's kind of, to me, that's changing the structure, and that type of breakout works.
It
But-
closes below support in a downtrend, you mean, right?
So if price is going like this,
Yeah.
and we break a support, once
Yeah.
we close underneath, I'll take that sell.
Oh, okay.
Or vice versa,
Yeah.
coming down. If we break resistance, I'll take the buy once we close above resistance, and expect a little bit of a push up for a higher high, and then get a nice one-to-one in and out.
Yeah, that's basically the thing that I'm talking about, exactly like that.
Yep. But yeah, if it's going like this, and then we close above, I won't do anything there or there. It's only closes against the trend.
Yeah, because that
that
counts
break
as a,
structure.
yeah, that counts as a breakout. That's why, right?
Yeah, that would be a breakout. I don't like those. Alright, that's gonna be it, but let's check the stats. We are up 3.16%. We had like 4 or 5 different styles of trading here tonight. That was actually really cool to see, because everyone's ideas played out. So let's see how many trades we had. I think we had a good amount of trades. Yeah, 32. Check the stats. So this one was definitely a full stop hit. I think this was a minimized loss. Winner, 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 winner. These two both hit full stop. I don't think we were able to really manage anything. Yeah, okay, so I was going to point out the managing stuff, but I think each time we lost, it looks like it just smashed stop loss right away. There was no managing ability.
There was those break evens there though. If you go back.
True.
Break even, break even. That's pretty much break even. Break even.
Yeah. So we were 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 4, 5, 6, 7. So we minimized about 50%. Right, stats. So average losing trade was 600. Average winning was 900. That's profitable. Graph. Bullish. This was a really strong support here. And we pushed up. Perfect. Alright. I will see you guys on YouTube on Monday. And have a lovely weekend.
All right.
Nice, man. Appreciate it, Paul.
Have a good one, Paul.
Peace out, guys. Peace out.
See you, Gurjat. Oh, Gurjat, I have a message.